I miss bubble tea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be super duper excited. Also, if my camera died, I'm super sorry. I'm trying to film this video as fast as I can. So today's video, I am going to do a what I got in Rome, Italy. Most of the stuff I got are souvenirs, and most of the stuff I won't show has already been snatched by my family members. Let's get started with this video. Remember, thumbs up and subscribe below, guys. So guys, before I start this video, I want to thank my class, my wonderful class. I'm so excited I got to have this experience. I enjoyed it so much. I love Rome. I didn't know how much I would like it when I got there. I thought I would be homesick, but I was not homesick at all. And I had so much fun with all my friends, and I'm so glad our class, we got a little tighter. Like, we became more friends. We knew each other and all this thing. And also Professor Kevin, he was such an amazing professor. He taught us a lot of things that I was surprised, you know. I wish he could be my art history teacher at Marymount. Like, Marymount, hire him, please, please. So yeah, it was so beautiful. Like the Colosseum, the Vatican, Basilica, the museums. I think the creepiest thing there that was at Rome was the crypt. Let's get started with this video, and I'll show you guys what I got in Rome, Italy, and all the souvenirs. So let's go. I literally had to move the camera to make it where the lighting is better. The first thing I'm going to show you is what I got at Pandora in Italy, and you could only get it in Rome, Italy. So the charms, I got the Sistine Chapel right here, this little angel right here, because that chapel was so beautiful, and I want to remember it as much as possible. I even got a postcard to see how it looks like, because we couldn't take pictures in there, which was super duper sad, and everything just felt so 3D, like when you look up, and I was just like amazed. And also I got a Colosseum charm right here, and I also got a Dumbo charm right here. They literally start selling it that day when I went into Pandora, and I was like, I need it, I want it, so I bought it. And also I went back to Pandora the next day, and I got a ring, and it's just a heart. It's hard to tell, but it's a rose gold ring with just like a heart band around it. So let's get on to the clothing. Oh, everything's just falling. Also, I got this bag from a store called Tiger, where I purchased a couple of things, and they're like, you want a bag? I was like, okay. The bag was so cute. It's a colorful rooster. The next thing I got was these Muji pins. I actually went to the Muji store, and I bought 2 notebooks for my brother, and he already snatched that. And I bought some pens, and he already took one of them. So yeah. So guys, I also went to this leather shop, and I bought this really cute bag. Oh my gosh. It's brown, and it's suede up here, and it feels so amazing. You open it right here. I already have things in here because I actually took it out today. And then I got a hoodie which says University of Roma. It's navy blue, and I got a yellow sweatshirt without the hood, and it says University of Roma, the same thing. Might actually give it to a friend. I got some postcards. These are from the London airport. I got 4 of these postcards from the London airport, and I got some from Rome. I actually got like a whole pack. So this one's just a regular 4 collage, and this is the Sistine Chapel. If you guys search up Sistine Chapel, you guys will see how beautiful it is. Like, look how gorgeous this is. Like, I am so amazed at this. Like, when I walked in, I was so speechless. I was just looking up like, oh. I stood in there for a good 10, 15, 20 minutes just looking at the painting. Like, I was very amazed and fascinated. So the rest of these postcards are just the Colosseum, another collage, another collage. I'm just gonna go through them quickly. This is almost like what I have on my blog post. If you go to Marymount and you are in my Rome Shakespeare class, then you probably saw this on my blog post. There's this one. I think this, yeah. There's this one. This was the second place we went to on the second day of Rome. So yeah. And then back to the Colosseum. And then I got some keychains from the London airport. I got 4. So these are the 4 right here. I got some shot glasses. I got 4. I got this one from Italy. I got it when I went to the Basilica. So beautiful. Let's hope I don't drop it. And then I got 2 of the same ones from London in case somebody wants one, and I could just give them one as a little souvenir. I should have bought 3 just in case. And then I got this one for myself because, guys, the colors on this is gorgeous. I love it so much. And then when I was at the London airport, I stopped by the Harry Potter shop, guys. That Harry Potter shop was so beautiful. And I got a little Hogwarts Express chocolate bar, and I think it broke. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it broke for my friend. And then I got a little keychain for her as well. Also guys, where I got my bag is from this shop called SB Roma Leather Factory, made in Italy. I will link their address. Wow. I will put their address and telephone number, I guess, in the description below. A couple more things I got from Tiger. It is this little cute pencil case. Super adorable. I might give it to a friend. I got some washi tape. I got a little Buddha. It was super cute and it's like mint green teal. Then I got some candy from Rome in here. And then I got a little colorful, I think this is a bunny. It's another pencil pouch I'm gonna give to my friend. The last bag is here, guys. It's just a bunch of keychains. I got some magnets from my mom and I got some t-shirts from my mom, and I couldn't put it in the video because I gave it to them yesterday and I filmed the video today. I kept the t-shirt for myself, but I really don't know where I put the t-shirt at, so I'll probably show you guys in another video when I'm wearing it. I'll show you a couple of the keychains I got. This was one of them. It just has a bunch of places like the Colosseum. I think this is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I got a Roma keychain right here. It has the letter R-O-M-A with the little heart with the Italian flag with a Colosseum on it. There's this one that actually like spins around. It's pretty fun to play with, I guess. Why do I have like 3 bags of keychains? Like I'm insane. And then I got a bunch of these keychains, these heart-shaped ones, and you can open it and it's a mirror, so that's a really good souvenir. I got some keychains with like my friend's first letter of their name, with like the Italian flag, with the Colosseum, Basilica, I think Trevi Fountain, if I could see this clearly, and it says Roma on it, and it's super duper cute. What is in here? There's more. Oh yeah, there's this one keychain that I really love in here. It was the Colosseum keychain and I absolutely love it. Like, so cute. And then there's this other one I love. I should have got another one. There's this. Super cute. It's like a little plaque. I hope you enjoyed this video, and after this little haul video, I'm gonna start putting up on my vlogs. They will be put up either every day or every other day, or whenever I have the time to edit them all, because there's about like 7 to 8 videos. I really don't remember. Right when I came back from Rome, I got a little sick, so right now I'm just like, ugh, I want sleep. I'm just gonna end the video here. Remember to thumbs up, subscribe below. Tell me in the comments below which item you like the best that I purchased. I really love the bag that I purchased and the keychains I got for all my friends and family. Magnets were super duper pretty. I wish I could show you that too, but I'll probably show you guys in the vlog one day if I ever film my fridge. Have fun watching the Italy vlogs. So, bye.